Yes, good morning students. Today we will take another problem of isometric projection. Our problem is draw the isometric projection of a square prism of 40 mm base edge and 60 mm axis resting A on its base on HP, keeping one of its base edge parallel to VP. Its second case is on its face on HP, keeping its base perpendicular to VP. So, first we draw the helping figure. Here is the helping figure. We have drawn a square of 40 mm. We have taken 40 mm here, okay, 40 mm, 40 mm and 40 mm. Now draw the horizontal axis line 103 and vertical axis line 402. Now we proceed for the isometric projection. Our first case is our square prism is resting on its base on HP, keeping one of its base edge parallel to VP. So first we have to draw the baseline and take a point A on it and draw two lines AB and AD here at the angle of 30 degree on both the sides. Now we take AB distance 40 mm in your compass and with the center A cut this line AB. Similarly we take 40 mm AD and take A as center and cut this line AD. Now complete the rhombus. We put the ruler on AD and move up to the B and we get the line BC parallel to AD. Similarly, now put your ruler on the line AB and move up to the D and you get the line DC parallel to AB. In this way our first rhombus is completed. Now mark the horizontal axis line 1, 3 and vertical axis line 4, 2. Now you have given the height of axis is equal to 60 mm. Now draw the 60 mm. 60 mm means isometric 60 mm. You have to multiply 60 into 0.8. It means 48 mm. So we have taken here 48 mm, but we have to mention here 60 mm. So 60 mm, 60 mm and 60 mm. Now complete the upper rhombus. Like the previous rhombus, we have to draw the horizontal axis line 1, 3 and vertical axis line 4, 2. Now we have to join the visible edges DD, AA and BB. Here black lines are thick lines. Now you have to mark the dimension here DC 40 mm and height DD is equal to 60 mm. Okay. Now we proceed to the second case. In the second case, our square prism is resting on its face. In the previous case, square prism is perpendicular to the HP. But in this case, our axis is parallel to VP. So, since square prism is resting on its face on HP, that's why we have to take here length 60 mm. this height 60 will become length in this problem. This one is 60 at the angle of 30 degree. Similarly 30 degree, here AB is equal to 40 mm and BB is equal to 60 mm. Now we have to complete the square here 40 and 40, and this, in this way this square is completed. Similarly 40, 40, 40 and 40, then this square is completed. Now join the long edges BB, CC and DD. In this way, this square prism is completed. Now mark the dimensions. DD is equal to 60 mm and AD is equal to 40 mm. And mark the direction of viewing. Here is the direction of viewing, and similarly you have to mark here the direction of viewing. Now in the last, you have to write the title in the diagrams. Here helping figure, here isometric projection, isometric projection. This is the case A and this is the case B. Now our drawing is completed. Now you have to do both the problems in your copy. Okay, thank you.